Today is a very stressful day because आज हमारी 4 वेंडर मीटिंग्स हैं बैक टू बैक शादी के लिए, तो बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल है. हम डीजेस को मिल रहे हैं, वेडिंग प्लानर्स, एमसी, वीडियोग्राफर्स. इट्स गोना बी इनसेन.
So haldi start time is 12. 12 to 7 is what we have kept.
12 to 7. Acha, theek hai, that's a long. And how are we having the haldi function? Is it going to be a flower shower or proper
Flower
haldi?
shower. It's a pool party.
Followed by a pool party.
No, it's a continuation. It's a pool
It's a
party.
pool party. It's just a
And
party.
what's the dress code?
It's yellow, but breezy stuff like dresses and shorts.
How many performances you all have for the Sangeet?
I'll give you the entire flow. I'm not sure right now.
What's the
अभी हम
run
शायद
time?
काटेंगे 30
Estimated
minutes.
run time.
30 minutes.
Are you sure it's 30 minutes? Your Sangeet. How do you want to set the tone? Like you want to keep it that again banter between Nidhi?
Yes.
I think that'll be amazing.
Because the entire Sangeet is based on a fight between me and him. The moment we enter, we're fighting.
It's not a fight.
It's a
battle. No, she said fight.
like
Dance battle.
Dance battle, exactly.
Let's call it a scruffle. You know what I mean? Yeah. Scruffle.
Great. Hi.
Have you?
Nice to meet you.
Have you?
All good?
We just had a crazy MC meeting. Now it's the most important part of the wedding turn. My photos
Should I
and
just
my
leave
video.
We're going to have a lot of content from this wedding. Nidhi wants the content to go out for the next 2 years. If it does, then I'm a part of it. It's fine.
So we will be shooting at the set, on the set, I'm saying, on our wedding location, set. For me, the entire world is a set. मैं हर समय work mode में होती हूँ, guys. My wedding locations, not a set. Will there be enough lighting? Do we have crazy lighting? What's the scene?
So when we're doing indoor shoots, right? Like let's say these
Night shots.
Yeah, night shots, not outdoors. The ones inside, like these couple shots, the intimate shots.
Yeah.
We can use our own lighting for that.
So when we were speaking to the media team, the videographers, the camera guys, I kind of just left that to Nidhi because she knows, how she wants her photos, locations and all that kind of stuff.
So Chura will be starting a little early. The previous 2 days are chilling. They can chill. Videographer can chill. Yeah.
No chilling this wedding.
Yeah, seriously. She's saying it. She's saying it. Will be no chilling, I'm telling you.
He said there's no chill at this wedding.
Yeah.
That's what he said.
Acha, he said that.
Why? What do you mean by that? मतलब ये तो ऐसे बोल रहा है कि मतलब मैंने सब पे डंडा दिया हुआ है कि सबको यही करना है और यही करना है. Guys, I'm so chill. I just like things to be efficient, and the moment they are not efficient, I lose my mind. I just want everyone around me to be efficient. और फिर everything's amazing. Everybody's chill.
So music, I would say Bollywood, Punjabi, and a little bit of commercial English.
Yeah.
R&B and all you want?
Not R&B, no. Yeah. Actually, me and Nidhi have different tastes to music, but I think when it comes down to a party, we're quite similar. I like a bit of Bollywood, it's fine. Punjabi music, we both love. English commercial music, she loves, I love it too. But then there's that UK side. My friends, my cousins would love a different style to where probably Nidhi isn't used to. I've made sure to add that in the playlist.
Is there a Sangeet after party?
No, we're not doing that because the next day it's 9 a.m. So I'm keeping it, I'm being very smart about it. I do not want people to be drunk and come to my, no, not at all. I don't want that shit. I don't want people puking, nothing. I want them to be there. This is the one thing that I was very particular about because many experiences kiye hain. Even the bride and groom, they get so tired, so fatigued because they're so hungover because they've been partying till 5. And I want to be fresh and enjoy my wedding, and I also want my friends to do the same.
We want to have energy throughout the whole day. So yeah, I think just the one after party at the end of the wedding makes sense.
Is this how we're doing the Sangeet and reception, I hope? That side and that side? Like 2 different layouts?
So now this is the Sangeet and reception is we having the backdrop here.
See, in my head, I would think that both should be like that. Why? So that when we're entering, we can enter and walk directly straight to the stage. अगर हम वो कर रहे हैं रिसेप्शन पे हमारा वो है, तो हम एंटर करके हमें ये मारना पड़ेगा या ये करके ये करना
So
पड़ेगा.
यहाँ से ना you enter from the first door.
ऑलरेडी डिस्कशन हो चुका है. इट्स नॉट लाइक ये मेरा डिसीजन था. जब हम वेन्यू के रेकी में गए थे तो मैंने ये सबको ऑलरेडी समझा दिया था कि मेरे विजन में क्या है. ये टॉपिक फिर से बाहर निकला है. We don't change anything. We had decided that it'll be you from one door, me from one door. We'll enter, then we'll fight in the middle.
So
and then
you know,
we'll
right?
dance.
There are 4 doors over here. 1, 2, 3.
Yes,
and
yeah,
4.
I'm entering from one side, he's entering from one side, one by one. But entry is the same.
So we had a little disagreement with the layout of the Sangeet.
For example, when you're in a wrestling match, there's only one entry.
the battle still happens in the middle. When you enter from the middle, it's a much better thing than when you're entering from one side, because only one side is going to see.
And for reception, we're doing that, which is important because we're entering together. You understand?
Initially, we were going to do everyone facing one end and on the other night, the other end. And then Nidhi had an idea where if we do it facing that way, it completely changed the whole look of the ballroom. I know, but the whole thing gets lost if we enter from outside.
You're not understanding. We are doing
I
a
know, I'm
competition.
understanding.
No, we're doing a competition vibe. Then, for example, we both will have to enter from the same door if we do that layout, which does not give that competition vibe. Okay, so you
Because
will
we're
enter.
entering one at a time anyway. And it's just
Exactly.
the vibe will only matter when we're both standing in the middle, when you're on one side and I'm on
No,
one side.
you're still not understanding. If the stage is there, no, you're not. शादी के सारे parts में मैंने कुछ बोला भी नहीं इतना because I was okay with everything that everybody wants. Like I'm very basic that way. But I think Sangeet is the one thing that runs in my blood, and I want to have I want to be at the forefront of it. I just feel like ये तुम मुझ पे छोड़ दो, बाकी सब आपको जो करना है करो, जो भी डिसीजन करना है करो, पर ये चीज़ बस मुझ पे छोड़ दो. So I feel like that just.
But we need to.
I'm very overwhelmed.
We need to properly talk about the layout again.
What layout?
Sangeet.
Baby,
Just quickly.
how many times? Baby, Tiger will run in now.
Yeah.
Tiger will run in.
Okay, hold this.
Let's finish it.
Nidhi's here. Nidhi's here.
Have you picked up?
Yeah, come.
What can you not understand? What can you... Again, you're saying we have to talk about it.
Yeah, just to it's weird.
I'm already very overwhelmed right now.
Maybe didn't have to go to the lengths where, she got upset over it. I didn't mean for that to happen. It's your Sangeet.
Yes, so can you let me do it?
Yeah, I was just asking.
No, you weren't asking. You're not trying to understand.
I was just trying to understand.
Baby, please don't.
Yeah, it
Don't.
is.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's not.
It actually is.
We were at the venue when I told you where we're entering from and where am I entering from. Are you joking? Now, if you all don't remember, that's not my problem.
I wasn't trying to, disagree with her on anything. I was just trying to understand. And when I had a look at it, to be honest, it did make a lot of sense. To be honest, I was ready for it. I mean, we needed to have this meeting because it was kind of explaining to everyone what we expect from the wedding and how they need to go about, the whole 3 days. So yeah, it was a good meeting, but I think Nidhi, she felt a little bit overwhelmed, so. Hello?
Yeah, Babush.
What's wrong?
Nothing. I was very overwhelmed. Just like so many things have been cut out. I didn't say anything. Everything that I wanted didn't happen.
It's okay, baby.
No, I mean this is my dream wedding.
Yeah.
But for example, my childhood dream, wearing the white dress, walking down the aisle in the proper English style, all that is not happening.
Yeah.
I didn't say anything.
No, I'm here, okay? You alright, okay?
Shit, something's here. Oh. Yeah.
It's okay. It better hits you now than never. It had to hit you at some point. Fine, baby. It's gonna be fine, okay?
Marrying you. Marrying you. Khushi. Yes, let's go. Say bye to your bestie, Khushi.
I could be. Project.
What?
Nothing.
What? I didn't hear you. What did you say?
Nothing. I said project.
What is project?
Secret. It's a code word.
We have just crying. You have no shame?
Yeah, you have no.
No, he really doesn't.
It's a joke.
Okay, bye, Babush.
Bye, baby, bye.
हाँ ठीक है लहंगे साड़ी कुछ भी मतलब जो भी Today we are at Dimple Fashions. I have called all my friends to Sharjah to pick out their outfit for the wedding. I want my side to be fully on theme. Oh my god. Yeah?
But where's the trial?
I think cover
so
also
sorry,
should
can
not
you just take 1 second?
It looks amazing. Yeah. तो ठीक
Huh? Where's the trial room?
है थकी तो नहीं
Surprise!
Today is also a very special day, and I'm going to be giving them their boxes that I've gotten specially curated with Navya Creates.
Mira, will you be my bridesmaid?
1,000 times, yes.
Nida, will you be my bridesmaid?
I love you.
Will you be my bridesmaid?
Can I think about it?
Give it back. Yeah, you're not there anymore.
I love you. I will 100%. I'm so sweaty. I'm sorry.
I love you. Are you my bridesmaid?
Everything's pinned out behind.
I know. I love you.
So cute.
The NKD's bachelorette. And then we have jewelry boxes with all your names, a mask, and the tote bag. It's a tote bag with your name.
Everything is sorted. I love it. They're on theme. I have chosen their outfits, and giving the boxes to my girls was just the best feeling ever. Sandra was there too, who's Mel's sister. So I gave Mel's box to Sandra because she's literally like my younger sister too. So all in all, a perfect day. मैंने गाड़ी भी बुक कर ली है, फिन्स मुझे बुक करना है, बाकी सब ATV और वो सब तो चलेगा.
कपड़े आ गए?
कपड़े आ गए मेरे शायद.
Mine are also here. So excited. So Nida, how about you give us your ideas of the bachelorette?
Because she's not coming. आज हम सब लोग निदा के घर पे मिले हैं to discuss the bachelorette. She obviously can't travel because Dua is like 1 month old. और बच्चे कर.
Just happened, okay? I'll bill you for it. So it's like you're part of it. No need. No, thank you.
Oh yeah, let's divide all the money.
Let it. I'll add you on splitwise.
Nida and I were growing up together. You know, we've talked about our bachelorette. तो हमने actually plan किए था कि हम ये करेंगे वो करेंगे शादी में. And her bachelorette, of course, I was there. I planned it, and but I know that this is a new phase for her, and that's way more important than us like going partying. It does make me sad. I'm not gonna lie. It's so sad because she wants to be so heavily involved, and she's like, you have to do the meeting in my house because मुझे भी जानना है सब कुछ.
Of course, at least I'll be part of the planning.
Yeah. No, it's fair.
No, it's fair. It's fair. Love ya.
Listen, some sacrifices for baby has to be made, no?
Yeah, of course. But also, you're prepared for the wedding. You have a nanny full time. Yeah, so they're also getting drunk. They will drink. They will have fun. They will chill.
By then she'll be what, 5-6 months?
6 months? No, 5 months. Yeah. 5 months.
चलेगा. Done.
This is where I walk Tiger.
This way. Yeah, I know. You got me one day.
Yeah.
And then we thought that we'll live there. And we thought that we'll get those houses. Lord, and we still don't have a house.
They're still available.
You've been saying this for 2 years.
Yeah, still.
For 2 years.
1 year, really.
Oh,
1 year,
so
seriously.
frustrating. You know, it's 2 years.
It's been such a smooth ride so far planning the wedding, and then, you know, obviously as we get closer, it just gets a lot more stressful for both of us. It was important that we both went for that walk.
Oh, Sahil texted me.
Huh.
Sahil texted me yesterday saying that Maldives is confirmed.
No way. Actually confirmed.
Yeah.
Oh, sick.
We have worked so hard on our relationship, and that's why he just knew what would I need. So he took me for a walk. Are you ready for the wedding?
Yeah, we're ready for the wedding,
Yeah.
but I don't think we're ready.
Ready.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's been a long time planning it.
It's important that both of us, you know, kind of whatever issues we have, we always try and correct them straight after. We don't want it to linger on. I think that's where more problems arise. So I think we're both in a better place now.
I really want to get that house.
Yeah, it's nice here.
Yeah. Imagine just chilling here in the weather, and it's crazy.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Like Jadaf.
I love Jataf.
Me too. Nah, I'm looking forward to it. Can't wait, really.
Same. Even I can't wait.
Can you wait or can you?
I
Not wait.
can wait also, and
Yeah, same.
because I can wait because I don't want it to get over. That's the thing. That's why I'm like, I can wait. I don't want it to get over. We won't even realize it and it's done.
We'll have all these pictures to look back on.
Yeah. You're also
And
such a
videos.
content dude.
And videos to have. Huh? It's gonna be fun. Can't wait now.
I just feel so relieved because in my head it was nothing, yeah. For me, I'm someone who processes emotions like this. Like I don't even keep it in my heart. So it was amazing. I feel so relieved. He's so relieved. Man, I'm actually very hungry.
Yeah, you can order something. Yeah, I think we'll order. नहीं, एक भेलपुरी सिर्फ मैं ही खा रही हूँ, ये खा ही नहीं रहे. Thank you.
पूरा संगीत मुझे ही कोरियोग्राफ करना था, मेरा साइड भी मोहक का साइड भी. मैं पूरा वो भार अपने सर पे लेने ही वाले थे. दैट आई न्यू. फिर सारे इंस्ट्रक्टर्स टीम बिठा के मुझसे इंटरवेंशन करवाया कि हम नहीं करने देंगे, हम पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेंगे, हमें तुम्हें सरप्राइज करना है, हम चाहते हैं कि तुम एक दिन के लिए तो रेस्ट करो.
हाँ, क्या हुआ पिछली प्रैक्टिस में?
Yeah, पिछली practice में there were many people who said yes they would come in, but unfortunately only 4 of them showed up. So because it was too late, I did not even ask. I'm like, forget it.
So why didn't you call me?
Because obviously you're busy, so I didn't want to stress you out. I was like, it's okay. They'll come in maybe half an hour later on. But then I was like, okay. And this guy also didn't show up. But he.
Are you serious?
So those people who didn't come, right? They didn't even drop a message that why they can't come. They were like, yeah, we'll be there. Correct. At 8 o'clock we'll be there. But then.
Why didn't you come?
सीता
She's also using her time and coming. हम सब फ्री नहीं बैठे हैं यहाँ पे. So that's why I'm pissed. Either you say that you can't come. My friends are.
not friends.
Not friend. What's that word that you use? Friending.
जो भी नहीं आएगा, ऑलरेडी टोल्ड खदीजा, जो भी नहीं आएगा उनको गाने से निकाल दो. हम उनके पीछे नहीं भाग रहे, मेरी शादी है. I realize something. They say that when you open a new business, you realize who your friends are.
Yeah.
But also when you get married or when you open a business, you realize who your real friends are.
वाह.
Yeah.
संगीत मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक मैं किसी से पूछ रही हूँ एक दिन बोल के कि तुम अगले दिन तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस में आना है. मैं सबको 5-6 दिन का नोटिस दे रही हूँ. एंड दे स्टिल चूज नॉट टू कम और आई नो दैट दे माइट बी बिजी विद अदर कमिटमेंट्स. देन दैट्स फुली देयर थिंग. और मैंने एक चीज़ सोची, मैं बिल्कुल स्ट्रेस नहीं लेने वाली हूँ इस बात पे. मैं सिर्फ उनको उस गाने से निकाल दूंगी. सिंपल.
Forgot to tell you. Harshita's not coming to the wedding.
What?
Harshita, your bestest friend.
Come on, yaar.
That might be a joke.
No, I'm not joking. So she hasn't told anybody. The thing is, I'm not ready to even talk about it, to be honest. But I have to tell you because you are planning she's choreographing the whole thing with
She's
you.
sending, we are always on.
She's also very upset. And that's why she hasn't been able to speak to about it to anybody. So she told me, so I was like, मैं किसी को बता नहीं रही हूँ because I'm not ready to talk about it right now. I don't want to only because I only get very emotional. I know.
So that means
No, but she's a doctor. That's a doctor's life. Can't do much.
But she can't even try to manage like that
उसका एग्जाम
weekend.
फ्राइडे को और मंडे को है. She's like a part of me, you know. She's grown up with me. संगीत जब वो छोटी थी तब से हमने प्लान करना शुरू किया कि हम एक साथ डांस करेंगे. And अब अगर मुझे न्यूज़ आ रहा है कि वो शायद ना आ पाए, it's something that I can't put in words. Obviously, it's just, I don't know what. I think God is testing me, or I don't know what. Hi, girl.
Hi, how are you?
All good.
Good.
Whose more food is this?
Mums.
Ah, yeah, chat. What is the Sangeet things that uncle is?
We're not supposed to share.
Oh yeah, okay.
It's a surprise. Have you done your listings?
Rooming list?
Yeah.
30th.
Yeah, same. I'll also do.
No, I'm saying the before and after rooms. You said they're getting full.
We're coordinating everything for people from all over the world. Okay, not just Dubai, not just India, but from all over the world with different flight times, different everything. And all our guests are staying at the Versace. It's not a cheap one.
Timsi Mami told me. I said, then tell your friend to stay in her house. She has an apartment here.
Yeah, simple. I mean, what they do before they're not booking, even though we've told them it's not our problem. No, जो करना है करें, book होगा तो book. हम क्या करें? हमने बोल दिया ना कब क्या करने को. So for people to not even give us their flight tickets before the wedding, but saying they're coming, and they'll do it soon, but not sending us their tickets, not replying to the planners, not like how stressful can it be? Like I can't believe some people, to be honest. It's crazy. So ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਖੇਡ ਬਣ ਨਾ from here. Ricky, I want you to fall.
Hey, but question, he's doing a solo on he's doing like a funny bit in every.
But how many guys do we have?
We don't
Let
know.
Vicky do. Let Vicky do.
Let Vicky
That'd be damn funny.
Can you call Vicky for 1 second? See, this song will be very easy. The next 2 songs we're position करने वाले हैं. That's the idea.
Yeah.
Flash mob. थोड़ा simple.
Half people don't even reach on time.
Yeah. They'll reach. Exactly why. तो अगर आदिल वादिल वहाँ पे चिल मार रहा है या कुछ मार रहा है,
ये तो पी रहा है.
ये तो पी रहा ही होगा वहाँ पे. I'm telling you. ये तो आएगा भी नहीं टाइम पे. 3 thing is his roommate is धार्मिक. That's the problem.
Shit! I've come here after a very long day. I'm very tired. I'm going to de-stress here. If Nidhi thinks I'm going to learn a single step, she's out of her mind because that's not going to happen. This is not boot camp. This is your wedding, Nidhi. Let me enjoy. Let me have fun. I'm young. It's my fun time. If I wanted to be upset, I'd be getting married.
Late comer.
I do not like people who are late. Thing is actually मैं हमेशा लेट आती हूँ, but I don't like when other people are late. That's the thing.
I thought that's her entry.
तो अगर तू सुन लेगा तो तुझे पता चलेगा वापस
The function I'm most excited to dance at is the Sangeet. This would only be my second Sangeet, and the first Sangeet was super special because Nidhi did it for me. It was my Sangeet. I'm so excited to be a part of hers. I cannot wait for it.
ढोलक में ताल है पायल में. Guys, can you not take it seriously, please?
I am.
I'm teaching you all very clearly and it's very easy. Back. अरे यार रिक्की यार, 1 घंटे की प्रैक्टिस वो 2 घंटे. अगर हमें 1 घंटे में 3 गाने खत्म करने हैं ना, उसकी वजह से हम सिर्फ एक ही कर पाएंगे. बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्ट करता है और बहुत कॉमेडी भी करता है. I love him. साडी गली फुल लेफ्ट हैंड आया करो जी कदी साडी गली फुल के भी आया करो. Some other step now.
So I have come on time. 15 minutes late. That is essentially on time in IST. Vicky has come 45 minutes late. And he's not even dancing properly. Now I have to deal with this bakwas. I've come here to enjoy. And now Nidhi's even more angry. So now I can't even do my masti. That's what Nidhi thinks. I will still not stop. There's too much mathematical, chemical equations going on. I don't know how my brain is going to process it. Ayushi, you're going to be next to me. And I'm really hoping I can rely on you. Because मैं तो सीखने नहीं वाला. Thank you very much. Salam. Oh, I am Meera. I called Meera Ayushi.
आज हम आए हैं डिम्पल टू गेट ज्वेलरी. तो मुझे जैसे ये है,
हाँ जी,
तो इसमें मुझे सिर्फ इयररिंग्स ही लगेंगे और कुछ लगेगा ही नहीं, बिकॉज नेकलेस भी नहीं है और चूड़ियाँ भी नहीं है. यू नो सारे नए ट्रेंड्स आते हैं, पर्ल्स और हैंडमेड ज्वेलरी, सारे ट्रेंड्स चल रहे हैं. सो ऑल माई आउटफिट्स काइंड ऑफ नीड दैट काइंड ऑफ ज्वेलरी एंड दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू फाइंड. एंड वी आर बैक एट डिम्पल फैशंस इन चार्ज. कोई और शेप में है क्या? ये थोड़ा कुछ यंग वाइब्रेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ समथिंग यंग, लाइक थोड़ा वेस्टर्न डिजाइन हो सकता है. Man, I want a little young because I'm a young bride. I mean, I'm not young. According to Mohak, I'm 30. So, but 30 is still young. 30 is young, no? 30 साल बड़ा होता है क्या?
नहीं.
बिल्कुल नहीं ना. तो फिर अभी मैं यंग ही ब्राइड हूँ. यार मॉम को भी इंडिया अभी पर साफे वाफे सब लाने थे मिलनी के, वो सब क्या करें. लेकिन हनी डी ऑल्सो लिव्स इन दिल्ली. फेरा से मैंने ले लिया एक्चुअली. शिट. I know what you're doing. हाँ. I love this. I think this is it. ये सब क्या है? अरे white नहीं यार, ivory, the bright ivory. It is not. It's gorgeous, but what I'm saying. Oh God, give me 1 second. मेरे पास ना ही जूते हैं एक भी लुक के लिए. आई हैव नॉट डन माय फुटवेयर नथिंग बिकॉज आई थॉट कि ऑर्डर करके हो जाएगा, पर मुझे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. तो यू नो मैंने अमेजिंग चूड़ियाँ ले ली हैं, मैंने कुछ चीज़ें ले ली हैं जो जा रही है मेरी आउटफिट्स के साथ, बट लाइक माई मेन सेट इज नॉट डन येट एंड आई थिंक मुझे दिल्ली जाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है गाइज. बड़ी आई एम कमिंग टू इंडिया. हाँ मुझे आना पड़ेगा बिकॉज I have to book my tickets. तो 11th को आप वापस आ रहे हो? हाँ. So I will book my tickets today only. तुम्हारा काम सस्ते में हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Bye. Stress, grief. I think that's the biggest thing कि मैं अब हर चीज़ में रोना शुरू हो जाती हूँ. I don't have control over my emotions.
She's done a lot for the wedding. I can understand why she got very emotional yesterday.
और जितना भी शादी पास आई जा रही है, the grief is taking over more. It's overpowering.
Yeah, I think it's come to a point now where whatever she wants to happen in the wedding should happen at the wedding. We'll make sure it goes the direction that she wants because like she deserves it.
Give me a thigh.
He said no weird stuff, but he chose Bangkok.
निधि बिल्कुल बारबी डॉल लग रही थी.
But you're gonna look like Komalika, and in a good way.
It's judging just for fun. They're not giving judgment.
You have a problem with everything. To you up. Yesterday, for the first time, I ate my first meal in Delhi after 3 days, and I have diarrhea.
Yeah, so that's because you don't eat regularly.
No,